Affiliate marketing for beginners. That's right, affiliate marketing for beginners. Folks, my name is Paul. I'm your direct mail marketing specialist from Barletta Marketing. And with Barletta Marketing, these days, we have been mailing out these flyers and postcards that are converting like wildfire. Folks, if you've been struggling online with the MLM business, and this is not MLM, this is not building websites, squeege pages, funnels, making a big list, and all this other stuff. Are you pulling your hair out? Folks, are you struggling online? Been there, done that, got the t-shirt, the Bic lighter, and the baseball cap to go with it. Crazy cash cow flyer. Folks, there's 3 levels to join. 200, 400, and 600. You keep all the money. There's a $100 admin fee to the admin. And just imagine making $75,000 in 6 months. Folks, this is no fluff, no hype. You could do this. Put a stamp and a peel hot buyer lead sticker. We get full data leads, folks. We don't just get name and address. Name, address, phone number, and email. Full data leads. And these leads convert like nobody's business. Crazy cash cow flyer. You mail it out, and I'm a businessman. I'm going to be direct with you. I'm going to give you the numbers. For every 100 of these flyers that you mail out, 2 to 3 conversion rate. Now let's say if you are having a bad campaign, which you will not have with us, one out of 100. You mail out 1,000, do the math. Someone comes in at 200, 400, 600. If you're doing 1,000, folks, do the math. 600 times 10. Yes, folks, you can make thousands, not a week. 1,000, 10,000, 20,000, not a month. But you can do this every 1, 2, 3 days. $4, $5, $6, $7,000, folks. The direct mail marketing business is a multi-billion-dollar business. And what better time to get on the wave, because right now, go ask Google, it's trending. Direct mail marketing is trending again, folks. You gotta go with the trends. You gotta go with the trends. I remember I used to wear jeans back in the 80s. Sergio Valente. I even did a Sergio Valente commercial once in Florida on South Beach. Sergio Valente. You remember those jeans? You're gonna wear Sergio Valentes today. No, you're gonna wear some of the more modern contemporary jeans, more contemporary fashion. And folks, this is what is in fashion now. These kind of flyers. They have psychological triggers. The colors on this flyer. Everything is meant to get you to buy. And again, $200 level, 400, 600. What does that consist of? Folks, you get full data leads. Like I just said, the foundation of this strategy relies on comprehensive full data MLM leads list. This comprises essential information such as names, address, phone numbers, and email addresses of individuals actively engaged in network marketing. It's the audience that purchases, and these type of leads usually purchase high ticket, $400, $500, $600 and up. This particular flyer is one of our more or less low ticket, medium ticket. We have flyers that you can join. Get in where you fit on, folks. You can join at $1,000 level, $1,500, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, $11,000. Yep, all the way up to $15,000. Do they send you cash in the mail? Most definitely do. Go in my YouTube channel and you will see income proof from Ricky Reed and myself.
Yes.
Income proof from both of us. 2,000, 3,000 in a FedEx, UPS, right to your door. I just got one in. Where's my UPS? Well, anyway, it's happening on a daily basis. You can do this. And folks, look at the $200 level, what this entails. You get 200 full data leads, 1,000 grocery coupon voucher to any supermarket of your choice. You get a MailBox Cash Money marketing kit. And this marketing kit, folks, is up to date for Craigslist, for free classified sites, magazines, and the whole works. You don't even have to mail out. You don't even have to mail out. I do videos, just like I'm doing here. Folks, I'm just giving you all my secret sauce. People call me all the time. I leave my phone number in the description while I'm doing my video, 862-658-2086. Even you can give me a call. Right now you can give me a call. 862-658-2086. You'll have unlimited support. You'll get 5 books of stamps. Folks, let's jump down to the $600 level. This is where I encourage you, because people are coming in at the $600 level, not joining the direct mail marketing system that we have, but just for the 3-day, 2-night trip. Folks, we have a 3-day, 2-night trip. And, well, it's not outside the U.S., but you can go to North Carolina. You can go to South Carolina, Myrtle Beach. You can go to anywhere in the United States with a 3-day, 2-night trip. What's better than that? If you look at any other program, folks, they are not offering this. And they are not offering full data leads. You know the money's in the list. Have you been mailing out in another direct mail program? Did you mail out 1,000 and you came up with goose eggs? I call them goose eggs. 0. And you gave up? Well, guess what? Listen, I'm not putting down Wilson's list. I'm not going to mention any other names. I'm not putting them down. But I tried those lists too. We test these flyers before we market them. Why? Because if you stay with us, folks, if you start off with this one, and you, in your first 2 or 3, 4 months, you make $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, and you will do that, you're going to want to go to a higher ticket. And I will coach you, I will mentor you along the way. I will give you the mindset. But it doesn't take much, folks. We trust in God, and we go and do it by faith. But faith without works is dead. We Christians know that faith without works is dead. You have to take action, folks. Now, if you take action today, I will give you an extra 200 leads. An extra 200 leads to go at any level. Get in where you fit in. I know it's 2023. And you say, Paul, I don't even have $200. Call me anyway. Well, Paul, I only got $300 and I want to come into the $400 level or the $600 level. Give me a call. You got the right guy here, folks. I've been where you were. I've been struggling online. Come offline. You don't need a computer. You don't need a cell phone. All you need is 2 feet. You don't even need 2 feet. You can be in a wheelchair. We have handicapped people doing this, and they're crushing it. We have 15-year-olds all the way up to 90-year-old elderly people doing this. Monkeys could do this business. Folks, monkeys could do this business. So what do you get? What nobody else is given. And folks, if you join today, you give me a call today, I will work it out for you. I get calls all the day long, even up until 12 o'clock at night. Don't call me past 12 though, please. I need to get some sleep too. Your health is number one, right? God first, your health. The Bible says the hands of the diligent shall prosper. The hands of the diligent shall prosper. Take action today. Again, give me a call. Please like this video, subscribe, hit the all notifications bell. And whenever another video comes out, you'll be notified. And also, leave a comment. Leave a comment down below. Any questions, I answer the comments. God bless you. Thank you for listening. Shalom. Bye-bye.